If you feel like your hair is getting drier and flatter and you're starting to see more scalp, keep watching. I am Chery, a hairstylist of 24 years, specializing in thin and fine hair. And I have fine hair myself, so I know how frustrating it is when products just weigh your hair down. These are not just a bunch of random products. These are the exact products that I use on my clients to make fine, thinning hair look twice as thick. Okay, so there will be 6 steps in our routine. Step 1, the foundation. Volume starts in the shower, so if you are using products that are too heavy, you are going to have to double down on your styling products to get your lift back. So these are the products that I recommend to set your routine up for success. First, we have Oribe Serene Scalp Shampoo and Conditioner. These products are definitely an investment, but they are so concentrated that one bottle will last you about 3 to 6 months. These are meant to densify your hair over time, and the game changer in this duo is the conditioner because the consistency is more like a lotion rather than a heavy cream, so it will not weigh your hair down. Next, specifically for thinning, I love the Virtue Flourish Shampoo and Conditioner. Now to get a little sciencey, the shampoo is meant to clear the debris from the hair follicle. This will give you a more healthy growth environment. It is meant to strengthen and detangle, and like the Oribe, it is feather light, so it will not weigh down our fine strands. I not only use both of those formulas on my clients, but I personally rotate between the two myself. A little pro tip, if you are a person that usually skips the conditioner, try this. Try putting the conditioner on your ends and at the last minute, mush it on your roots and then rinse it out. This will help avoid your roots from falling flat. Tell me in the comments if you usually skip your conditioner or if you use it every wash. Step number 2 is scalp support, the secret to better hair. Healthy hair starts at the root. The biggest cause of slow growth is actually buildup and inflammation choking the follicle, which makes it impossible for your hair to grow in thicker. And that is exactly where your scalp support comes in. I'm gonna give you a couple different options and a couple different price points because scalp treatments are an investment. The first one is the Oribe Serene Scalp Densifying Treatment. This is my luxe option, but you are paying for quality ingredients. It also has a super fine, steady mist that makes it easier to apply exactly where you need it. And it has a nice, refreshing minty scent as well. Next, we have the Goldwell Densifying Serum. This is a great mid-range price choice. It also has really quality ingredients and a nice, pleasant, subtle scent. It also has a super simple applicator that makes it easy to target the areas that you are applying it to. I do have 2 other options that I'm gonna link in the description for you. Each of them have different strengths depending on your scalp goals. Instead of guessing which one is right for you, I did make a little comparison chart that I'm gonna link in the description so you can go on there and see which one might work best for your specific hair goals. I do wanna mention with these products, consistency is key and they do require long-term use for best results. A little pro tip for applying these products, use a sectioning tool to make sure that you're getting it in the areas that you're wanting to treat and then brush it through. This will help stimulate your scalp and make the products work better. Step 3, the invisible prep. This is your leave-in and heat protection. Fine hair breaks so easily, so every little bit of breakage makes it look even thinner. So in this step, we are protecting our hair without adding any weight. First up is the Oribe Invisible Defense Spray. This heat protectant protects your hair up to 450 degrees and it doubles as a leave-in conditioner. And the name says it all, invisible, and this is currently my go-to leave-in and heat protectant personally. Second is the R+Co Candy Stripe. And I currently don't have any in my routine right now. I ran out. This is also a leave-in, a detangler, and a heat protectant all in one. It's weightless and budget friendly, and you're getting 3 products in one. It is also a fan favorite at my salon. Both are perfect for fine and thinning hair and will protect your hair from your blow dryers and your hot tools, all without weighing your hair down. Step 4, now we're talking about volume builders. This is where we create our artificial thickness. The products that make your hair look and feel fuller and thicker. First, we have the K18 Astro Lift Volume Spray. This one I prefer to use at the roots only, especially if you have hair that tends to lean on the drier side. It is the holy grail for root lift without drying it out. It just gives it a really nice airy lift. And it smells really good, like cotton candy. Next, we have the Virtue Flourish Thickening Styling Treatment. This one is great for adding overall fullness, but if you are somebody who has extremely fine hair, I would avoid it at your roots. It also has a heat protectant that protects your hair up to 450 degrees. It's perfect for somebody who has dry hair that wants to add fullness and width, but not necessarily height, if that makes sense. Believe it or not, all these products that I'm showing you today are from my personal stash. Not even kidding. Next up is the R+Co Thickening Spray. Now this one is perfect for roots to ends. It gives it a nice grit without drying your hair out, and it's perfect to spray on your hair before you use your curling iron. It will actually make your curls last much longer. A little pro tip, it's gross. Now with any volumizing products, for best results and more volume, I recommend using some sort of sectioning tool so that you're getting the products on your hair where you want it and not just spraying it on the top, which helps distribute the products more evenly. I do prefer using a brush like this. This is gonna be super helpful to section your hair, apply your product, and then brush it in. And I do have to say, I'm a little biased because this is not yet available, but I am bringing it to the market. So I will put it in the description if you are interested. All right, step 5. We're gonna call this the Fake It finishers. These are what you're gonna use for texture. This is where we fake our thick and full hair. It is the secret sauce. As you know, clean fine hair is the hardest to style because it's just too silky and slippery. To get lasting volume, we need a little bit of grit and a little bit of texture. My first product for texture and grit and volume is the Oribe Swept Up Volumizing Powder. This is one of my holy grails, and I talk about it in almost every one of my videos. It's a concentrated powder, and it is what I use to keep my hair in place and to give me lift, especially in the bang area and the mohawk section, where I tend to have more problems where my hair collapses and separates. So if that sounds like an issue that you've been dealing with, this will be a game changer for you. I feel like we need trumpets for this one because this is the ultimate holy grail of holy grails for volume for me and my clients. We literally use it on anybody and everybody who needs volume, and we cannot keep it in stock. It is the R+Co Balloon Dry Volume Spray. I hear like, ah, I'm gonna have to try to find some music to add in. It's basically your lived-in volume in a can. It is a buildable texture, very soft, very flexible. It does not weigh your hair down. It does not make it sticky or heavy like most texturizing sprays do. If you are in the market for a product that's gonna give you instant volume, soft texture, thicker strands, this one is for you. I do have a bonus product, and I'm gonna show you 2 different options. These are dry shampoo powders. Now, I like to use these on fresh, clean hair day 1. This is going to prevent the oils from building up, but it also gives your hair a nice airy lift. Now, I love the texture of the Serene Scalp by Oribe. It's probably my favorite texture, but I hate the way that it disperses. It's super extremely messy, which makes it very frustrating to apply. So I tend to grab for the R+Co Skyline Dry Shampoo Powder. This one, you can cover ground fast. It has such an easy applicator. So if I had to choose between the 2, this one would be the one that I would recommend. It's unfortunate, Oribe. Get it together. Get it together. What the fuck? Step 6. This is the last step in our routine. This is going to be your top off products to lock it all in. To set all our hard work in place, to protect it from the humidity, and to make your hair last all day, these are my top picks. First, we're gonna talk about hairspray. I have 2 options, a lightweight option and a stronger option, depending on your day. They both have a very light micro mist and are perfect for setting fine hair into place. First, we have the Oribe Superfine Hairspray. Like I said, this one has a super fine micro mist. that will not weigh your hair down. It is a fan favorite at the salon. It smells so yummy. It has that Oribe signature scent, and you can't go wrong if you want a super lightweight, flexible hairspray that won't weigh your hair down. The next one is our strong hold option for the people that need their hair to stay in place all day. This is the R+Co Vicious Flexible Stronghold Hairspray. And look how freaking adorable the can is. This also has a very super delicate mist. I mean, you can see it. And this is actually my new favorite. I do also really love the Flexible Outer Space by R+Co, but I recently started using this, and I have to say, it's the perfect amount of hold, so you don't have to use a ton of it. And the fine mist, I mean, you can't go wrong. Look at that. I have to say, I think it's definitely finer than the Oribe. Either way, these are my go-to hairsprays for fine and thin hair that will not weigh your hair down. Woo! Lastly, we have anti-humidity sprays. Now, if you live in a humid climate like I do in Charleston, South Carolina, these types of products are non-negotiable, especially if you have any bit of frizz, any bit of curl. Let me just introduce you to your new best friend. Now, the first one frequently sells out at my salon. The stylists are always reaching for it. The clients are always asking for it. And this is the Oribe Impermeable. It is a bestseller in the salon for a reason. It's like an invisible umbrella for your hair. And for a slightly more modest price, I will recommend the R+Co Moon Landing Anti-Humidity Spray. That is also the only other product that I'm talking about today that I don't have in my arsenal. Think of these as the final veil over your hair. These are definitely non-negotiable if you live somewhere humid, if you tend to get frizz around your hairline, or if your hair tends to react anytime there's moisture in the air. And with fine hair, you don't need a ton. Just a soft, even pass is plenty, and make sure that you don't skip the hairline. All right, you guys, that is the full lineup that I rely on to keep my fine thinning hair clients and myself looking smoother, fuller, and fabulous. I've added all the links of all these products in the description if you're interested. And now I wanna know if there is a holy grail product that I must try, that you swear by. Drop it in the comments and let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to cover. And if you want to see any of my tips and tutorials on how I style my fine thin hair, I have many a playlists that you can check out that I will also link. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fabulous new year, and I will see you in the next one.